CBD and marijuana, a topic that many are interested. But when it comes to the legal status, it can be confusing. CBD comes in many forms, and when you need to cross the border or even at an airport, it's always better to know. So let's hear this information out.
It is a very confusing issue, and it's a very hot topic at the moment. And it's confusing because at the state level, CBD and other related products are illegal in 21 states in the United States. However, at the federal level, which is at the international border, in particular with Mexico and the United States, it is considered illegal to import or export CBD or related products. CBD can be sold as a leaf. It can be sold to smoke in vape pens. Some people consume it in tinctures under the tongue, in drops for relaxation. That is also illegal. And probably the only legal would be in like a lotion or a body cream, just as is hemp and other products. But anything that you can consume that has an effect will be considered illegal.
And what are the consequences if you get caught with any of these CBD products or marijuana related, crossing the federal border from Mexico to the United States?
When you cross an international border, you lose your Fourth Amendment rights. The Fourth Amendment says that a person cannot be searched or seized without a reasonable cause. So when you're crossing the border, you can be searched anywhere, right? If you're in the street, you cannot be searched unless you consent or unless there's a warrant. But at the border, there's no Fourth Amendment right to your privacy. So if they search you and they find CBD or other related products, depending on the quantity, right, depends the consequence. 28 grams, which is an ounce or more, can be considered a felony. Anything less is a misdemeanor. However, when it's less, and if it's like personal use, usually Customs and Border Protection only fines the person, like an infraction of $500. The bad news is that infraction eliminates any person permanently from a trusted traveler program such as Global or Sentry. For life, you're banned.
Wow.
So it's pretty severe.
And what could happen if you have CBD with you or any related products crossing the border from Tijuana to San Diego? We want to make sure you are aware.
Yes, the law is still very confusing in Mexico, even though it's become legal in practice. You know, if you get pulled over and you have a substance like CBD or marijuana or anything related, you're probably going to encounter some issues with the local authorities. Just to be careful when crossing international borders. Even though CBD may seem harmless, immigration officials do not see it that way. So just be careful in your travels.